Struggling to create a Jira Service Management project without getting lost in menus? Follow these 5 steps to set it up in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click, from logging in to selecting the right template. Let's start with step 1. So the first thing you want to do is open your Jira account. And I mean actually open it, not just stare at the login screen. Go ahead and sign in. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one, because the project creation flow looks a little different depending on where you land. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to move on. Now, look at the left side panel for the Spaces section. You'll see a list of your existing projects or teams. Right next to the word Spaces, there's a tiny little plus sign. It's really easy to miss, so take a second to find it. Click that plus sign. This is the main trigger for creating anything new in Jira, whether it's a project, a board, or even just a filter. So that one small button is your gateway. After clicking plus, you'll see categories pop up on the left side panel. This is where Jira tries to help you pick the right starting point. Click on Service Management. Notice how the view changes immediately. The templates available are all tailored for IT support, customer service, or internal help desks. Jira is basically saying, okay, you want to handle requests, not just software bugs. So by choosing this category, you're telling Jira exactly what kind of workflow you need. From the options, select General Service Management as an example. I'm choosing this one because it's the most flexible. It gives you a basic setup for handling customer requests, tracking issues, and organizing your team's responses. You don't have to stick with this forever, but it's a solid starting point. And here's the really important part. Do not overthink this. You can change templates later or customize almost everything. So pick one that sounds close to what you need and move on. Finally, click Try this template to create your project. Jira will take a moment to set everything up. You might see a loading spinner, which is totally normal. Within a few seconds, your new service management project will be ready. You'll land on a default dashboard where you can start adding your team, setting up request types, and customizing the portal. But for now, you've done the hard part. So, to recap, open your Jira account, find the plus sign next to Spaces, pick the Service Management category, choose a template like General Service Management, and click Try this template. That is literally all there is to it. No hidden menus, no confusing settings, just 5 straightforward clicks, and you have a fully functional project ready to go. Now, you can go ahead and start using it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.